Welcome back to Laboratory Cognizance. Today, we're jumping into a crucial topic for anyone working in a laboratory: the 10 most common lab mistakes and how to avoid them. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey as a laboratory assistant, this guide will save you time, effort, and possibly your experiments. Let's get started. Let's get started. Imagine spending hours on an experiment only to realize you mixed up your samples. A simple error, but it can ruin your results. Always double-check labels and use color-coded systems for extra clarity. Calibration is your best friend. Using uncalibrated equipment like balances or pipettes can lead to inaccurate data. Set a weekly reminder to calibrate your instruments. Trust me, it's worth it. Personal protective equipment isn't optional. Always wear gloves, goggles, and lab coats to protect yourself from unexpected hazards. It's better to be safe than sorry. Cross-contamination is a silent saboteur. Always use clean pipettes or sterilize between samples. If in doubt, switch to single-use consumables. Sloppy notes? Big problem. Maintain clear and detailed records in your lab notebook. Remember, in the future, you will thank you for it. Don't push your equipment to the limit. Overloading devices like centrifuges can lead to uneven results or even damage. Follow the manufacturer's guidelines every time. Improper disposal is risky and illegal. Always segregate hazardous waste and follow your lab's protocols to the letter. A clean workspace is a safe workspace. To prevent contamination and accidents, take a few minutes to clean up after every session. Did you know improper storage can ruin reagents? Always check labels for storage instructions. Some need refrigeration, while others might be light sensitive. Controls are the backbone of your experiment. Never skip them. They validate your results and help troubleshoot issues. And there you have it, 10 common lab mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, being meticulous is key to successful lab work. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on essential lab hacks. See you next time.